Welcome to Global Days Awareness Channel, a channel dedicated to raising awareness of UN global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and celebrating professional bodies on their day by highlighting their impact in nation building and sustainable development. And now, today's event. International Day for the Prevention of and Fight Against All Forms of Transnational Organized Crime. Have you ever bought a fake product online? Heard of people trafficked across borders? Or known someone scammed of their hard-earned money? What if we told you that behind these crimes lies a global web, dangerous, hidden, and powerful? But there's hope. And it starts with us. Theme: Stronger Together, Breaking Borders, Building Peace. On November 15, 2000, the United Nations adopted the Convention Against Transnational Organized Crime, also known as the Palermo Convention. To raise awareness and strengthen global action, the International Day for the Prevention of and Fight Against All Forms of Transnational Organized Crime is observed every July 15th. The theme, Stronger Together, Breaking Borders, Building Peace, a call to unite in the fight against human trafficking, drug smuggling, cybercrime, and all global crimes that know no boundaries. Transnational organized crime is not just something you read in the news. It weakens economies, fuels violence, destroys lives, and threatens our future. It steals from governments, exploits the vulnerable, and stops communities from growing. When we stop these crimes, we protect jobs, businesses, schools, hospitals, and most importantly, people. We build a safer, fairer, and stronger nation. Just a quick break, please. If you are gaining something from this and you find it informative and inspiring, kindly support us by subscribing to our channel and tap the notification bell for more inspiring global events. After watching, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. Welcome back. Now, stories of impact. Emeka, Nigeria, I was tricked into leaving home for a job that didn't exist. I was stuck in another country, working without pay. Thanks to a rescue mission supported by international agencies, I got home. Today, I work with a local team educating young people about human trafficking. My life was saved, now I help save others. Maria's, Ukraine, my online business was nearly destroyed by cyber criminals. But with the help of a transnational cybercrime unit, I recovered my data and reported the fraud. I now work with women entrepreneurs, teaching them how to stay safe online. If we stay informed, we stay protected. Achievements so far. Since the Palermo Convention, over 190 countries have joined hands. Thousands of criminals have been caught. Millions have been protected. From border control improvements to cybercrime investigations, their actions have saved lives and futures. Thank you to the unsung heroes. To every border officer, cyber detective, social worker, and NGO volunteer, you may not wear capes, but you are true heroes. Thank you for standing strong where most cannot see, protecting lives, and keeping hope alive. Call to action. You don't have to wear a uniform to join the fight. Stay informed. Report suspicious activity. Support anti-crime programs. If you work in government, business, education, or media, your voice can help stop the spread. The time to act is now. Together, we are stronger. Every action counts. Every voice matters. Together, let's make a world free from fear, full of opportunity, and built on justice. Happy International Day for the Prevention of and Fight Against All Forms of Transnational Organized Crime. Let's raise our glasses to toast and honor the unsung heroes, every border officer, cyber detective, social worker, and NGO volunteer. You may not wear capes, but you are true heroes. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, Titus Ogbe Ture. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next today. The 16th of November, International Day for Tolerance. The 17th of November, World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims. The 18th of November, World Antimicrobial Resistance, AMRA, Awareness Week. The 18th of November, World Day for the Prevention of and Healing from Child Sexual Exploitation, Abuse and Violence. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.